side airbag system from ZF. It has been shown that it can reduce the occupant injury for side impact collisions by up to 40%. But how does it work? Two external airbags on either side of the car completely submerges the vehicle in a protective space, helping you steer clear of any unwanted accidents. Included in this is also side airbags for the inside in between seats. This helps with backlash of the momentum push from a possible accident. The active safety systems monitors vehicles around you and calculates impact before it can happen, keeping you safe within your own vehicle. Number 9 is the Michelin X Tweel. Often a time we find ourselves looking for the next best thing. Perhaps, in some cases, we need to reinvent the wheel. Michelin has done just that. This Tweel is now the latest in technology, giving you zero maintenance with no compromise. It not only offers a cushioned ride, but is also puncture-free. The wheel not only offers the sturdiest of rides, but also boasts an all-terrain durability. This is the perfect option for most construction vehicles with their demanding terrain. This means zero downtime for company vehicles. Number 6 is the Load-It. It's an automatic boat loader accessible from every side of the vehicle. Each loaded rig is designed specifically for each vehicle, giving you the most customized rig depending on your load. Made straight out of aircraft-grade aluminum, these products are light and extremely strong, giving you a peace of mind knowing your contents are safe. This includes stainless steel hardware, a wireless control, and can lift a massive 400 pounds with ease. This makes for the perfect solution for people who have back disabilities or injury. What makes it even more convenient is that it's already tied to the rig upon lift, meaning you don't have to get on top of the vehicle to tie down the contents. Number 5 is the A-Cool. But what is A-Cool? A-Cool is the first of its kind, addressing all of the problems of current car ventilators. It is custom made, secure and solar powered by design, reducing substantially your exposure to the adverse health effects of high temperature. A-Cool can reduce the inside temperature of a car up to 25 degrees. This is because greenhouse effect can cause car inside temperature to rise by 10 degrees within 10 minutes. High in-car temperatures accelerate the release of items such as the concentrations of these materials in a car can increase by up to 6 times within an hour. A-Cool can reduce the concentrations up to 80%. It allows cross-ventilation, power options, easy installation, and air filtering, all within its custom design.
cameras instead of mirrors. If at the beginning of the 21st century drivers were told that rear-view mirrors would soon be a thing of the past, they would laugh in response. This device began to be used since 1911. That is, more than 100 years ago. Mirrors then appeared on the Marmon Model 32 Wasp race car during one of the first Indy 500 races. The mirror vibrated violently, and according to pilot Ray Harroun, little could be seen in it. However, the most interesting thing is that even before their installation, drivers actively used an analog of this device. It was an ordinary pocket mirror. For a long time, automakers have experimented with such devices, introducing cabin mirror on the control panel, mirrors on the front fenders, and even on the back door of the car. They experimented with shape and optical components, trying to expand the view and to solve the problem of the driver's glare. As a result, the mirrors turned into a complex optical-electrical unit. With the advent of miniature devices capable of capturing high-definition video, engineers started thinking about using cameras. Initially, these devices appeared as extras, allowing the driver to get a 360-degree view. Later, concepts appeared that provided for a complete rejection of anachronistic mirrors. The Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion was one of the first drone concepts to hint at a complete rejection of obsolete components. However, it's 2020 and only Tesla released the beta version of the standalone software. Several manufacturers have presented a replacement for traditional mirrors, though. For example, the Lexus ES sedan has already shown a working prototype of such system, dubbed digital outer mirrors. The cameras display images on 5-inch screens mounted on the sides of the control panel. They automatically detect vehicles in the blind spot, zoom in when cornering, and demonstrate other useful features. A similar solution is offered by Audi on its e-tron. The Mercedes-Benz Actros trucks also got cameras instead of mirrors. The system called MirrorCam offers the driver unlimited visibility, reduces fuel consumption, and improves aerodynamics. At the same time, there is no issue with fogging or dirt on the mirrors, automatic adjustment for the driver, and virtual distance lines. In general, video cameras provide more information about the environment, better visibility, and closer interaction with the driver. By the way, the futuristic Cybertruck by Tesla will also use digital cameras instead of mirrors, as they feature the future of the auto industry.
Number 1 is the Hail Protector, a rather unique item from Hail products. This hail protecting shield can protect up to sizes of even a cantaloupe of hail. It's not often we're always in the know-how of when and where hail might strike, but now with the Hail Protector, it's very easy to have precaution in case of emergency. It not only protects your car, but even has an integrated mobile app. The app is designed to give you an early warning hail alert and weather update to make sure you're always on top. The Hail Protector system is as much about giving you peace of mind on inactive days. Once the early warning alert has sounded, you can simply install in minutes, giving you that precious time that is well needed.